What is up, legends? It's your boy, your name, back with another video. We're diving deep into the world of Kling AI 2.0 today. And guys, this thing is next level. We're talking insane new features, mind-blowing hacks, and I'm going to show you how to use them all to create some seriously epic videos. So if you're ready to become a video editing master, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about what makes Kling AI 2.0 so revolutionary. The video quality is insane. Think super crisp, super realistic, almost like you're watching a movie. But it's not just about looks. Kling 2.0 is packing some serious heat when it comes to features. We're talking dynamic action shots, advanced compositing tools, and so much more. This is the future of video creation, and we're just getting started. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite new features in Kling AI 2.0, the upgraded Kolors 2.0 image model. This thing is an absolute game changer, especially if you're all about that cinematic look. The prompts are super accurate now, so you get exactly what you ask for, and the quality of the visuals is just off the charts. We're talking super vibrant colors, incredible detail, and a depth of field that makes everything pop. It's like you're looking through the lens of a professional-grade camera. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Kolors 2.0 makes creating stunning visuals effortless. Alright guys, let's talk camera movement. Kling 2.0 delivers with 6 brand new camera movement presets that are going to blow your mind. We're talking smooth tracking shots, epic panning shots, and even some crazy rotations that add a whole new level of dynamism to your videos. You can adjust the speed, the smoothness, the angle, everything. This means you can create truly unique and cinematic camera work that brings your videos to life. Okay guys, now it's time to crank things up a notch. Let's talk about creating those heart-pumping action shots that get your adrenaline pumping. With Kling 2.0, it's all about using the right keywords in your prompts. We're talking FPV, high speed, high action, shaky. Anything that screams intensity and movement. You get these super dynamic shots with realistic motion blur, camera shake, and fast cuts that make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. You can create car chases, fight scenes, explosions, anything you can imagine with a level of realism that's just mind-blowing. Now I know some of you are all about that full-on, in-your-face action, while others prefer something a little more subtle. And the great thing about Kling 2.0 is that it caters to everyone. By adding or removing specific keywords, you can fine-tune the intensity of your action shots and camera movements. Want a super intense shaky cam effect? Pile on those FPV and shaky keywords. Looking for something a little smoother? Dial it back a bit, and maybe try using smooth tracking or slow pan instead. You can experiment with different combinations of keywords to find the perfect balance for your video. Let's be real, guys. Characters can make or break your video. That's why Kling AI 2.0's character generation capabilities are so amazing. We're not just talking about creating realistic-looking people here. We're talking about generating characters with style, personality, and a whole lot of attitude. Want a badass warrior woman inspired by the Avengers? Just type it in. Need a sly and cunning villain with a touch of the Joker? Kling AI 2.0 has got you covered. You can even get super specific with your prompts. Alright gearheads, this one's for you. If you're anything like me, you love a good car scene. And with Kling AI 2.0, you can create some truly epic racing sequences. Fast zoom, FPV, low angle. These are your new best friends when it comes to capturing the speed and intensity of a high-octane race. Imagine this. You're right behind the wheel of a sleek sports car. Engine roaring as you weave through traffic at breakneck speed. And don't forget about those close-up shots. Get up close and personal with the cars, capture every detail, and make your viewers feel like they're right there on the track. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features in Kling AI 2.0, the Multi-Elements tab. This is your one-stop shop for all your compositing needs. You can swap elements, add new ones, delete the ones you don't want. Basically, you have complete control over every aspect of your scene. Want to put a different character in that car we were just talking about? Easy. Just drag and drop them in. Want to add an explosion in the background? No problem. Kling AI 2.0 makes it incredibly simple. Alright, let's get into some real-world examples of how you can use the Multi-Elements tab to create some seriously cool effects. One of my favorite things to do is use it to maintain character consistency throughout a video. Let's say you've got a character in one scene and then you want to use them again in a different scene but with a different background. All you have to do is select the character in the first scene, copy them, and then paste them into the second scene. Kling AI 2.0 will automatically match the lighting and color balance, so your character looks completely natural in their new environment. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Lachlan, this all sounds great, but what about those fiddly little details? What about when I need to select something really specific? Well, don't worry, because Kling AI 2.0 has got you covered there too. One of the things I love about this software is how precise you can be with your selections. You can actually click multiple times on an item to refine your selection. This level of precision is so important, especially when you're working on complex compositing tasks. Sometimes, less is more. And when it comes to video editing, that often means getting rid of unwanted elements in your scenes. And let me tell you, Kling AI 2.0 makes this process an absolute breeze. The delete function is your new best friend. See something you don't like? Just select it and hit delete. It's that simple. When you delete something, it automatically restores the background, so you don't end up with any weird holes or glitches in your footage. Okay, so we've talked about deleting stuff, but what about adding new elements to your scenes? Well guys, Kling AI 2.0 makes this just as easy as deleting them. Want to add a character to a scene? Just drag and drop them in from the library. Want to insert a cool object or prop? No problem. Kling AI 2.0 has got you covered. You can even add things like smoke, fire, and other special effects to really bring your scenes to life. The possibilities are literally endless. Alright guys, let's talk about one of the features that makes Kling AI 2.0 so incredibly powerful and versatile, the Restyling tool in Kolors 2.0. This thing is an absolute game changer. You can literally transform the entire look and feel of your images and videos with just a few clicks. Want to give your scene a dark and gritty feel? No problem. Just choose a restyling preset that matches that aesthetic. Want something brighter and more vibrant? Easy. You have complete control over the final look. Now let's talk about how to use the image editing tools in Kling AI 2.0 to maintain character consistency throughout your videos. This is super important if you want your videos to look professional and polished. Let's say you've got a character who appears in multiple scenes and you need to make sure they look the same in each scene. With Kling AI 2.0, you can actually go in and edit the character's appearance in each scene to make sure they're consistent. You can adjust things like their hair, their clothes, their skin tone, pretty much anything you can think of. Alright guys, now it's time to take things to the next level. Let's talk about how to combine the image editing tools with the restyling prompts to create some truly unique and dynamic scenes. For example, you could use the image editing tools to give your character a specific look, and then use the restyling prompts to match the environment to that look. Or you could use the restyling prompts to create a specific mood or atmosphere, and then use the image editing tools to fine-tune the look of your characters and objects to match that mood. The key is to experiment and see what works best for you. So there you have it, legends. Those are just a few of the insane Kling AI 2.0 hacks that I've been using to take my videos to the next level. If you're as hyped about Kling AI 2.0 as I am, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic tutorials, and drop a comment down below letting me know which hack you're most excited to try. And as always, keep creating, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.